Many are surprised to see the price of Bitcoin showing a move like this because everyone was expecting Bitcoin to break above 100,000 and continue with this uptrend. But to those who have been following me, you guys saw this coming because I was very clear with you. In the medium short term, there might be a retest. Price of Bitcoin coming back to test some of the key line of support, and only after that continue with this actual bullish move. And looking at it right now, you can see things are looking very interesting. So before I jump into the content, before I start talking about it, please guys, do me a favor and destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, let's look at this leading indicator which gives us information beforehand. And according to this leading indicator, you can see for now we are expecting a retest around this CPR trend line before starting with another bullish continuation like this. Yes guys, we are expecting a proper retest around this CPR trend line, which is going to be around 95,000 before continue with this actual bullish move. And why are we expecting the price of Bitcoin to show a continuation on the CPR trend line? Because parallelly we found out Bitcoin was printing higher highs, continuation pattern type of formation, while the RSI to the downside was clearly flashing us a bearish divergence, lower highs. So this clearly showed us that price in the medium short term could be exhausted and head towards the oversold area. I mean, this RSI line in the past price action during uptrend like this, whenever it has flashed us with a bearish divergence, what has happened here in price action? You can see while the price of Bitcoin was in an uptrend forming higher highs, RSI to the downside formed lower highs, which later on resulted in a corrective move. You can see this very clearly guys. Each and every time whenever we were being flashed with some bearish divergence in RSI during this uptrend, price after that has resulted in some pullback. So same thing was expected in our case as well. I mean, Bitcoin showing weakness, coming back to test the support from this Williams alligator indicator, which is going to be above 90,000 before continue with this actual bullish move. Yes guys, a proper retest around this CPR trend line before expecting another bullish continuation, because we are aware beside this Williams alligator indicator, beside this CPR indicator, parallelly Bitcoin is also following this Bollinger Band. I mean, this Bollinger Band is flashing us a potential squeeze, which could be resulting in a very volatile move in the upcoming days. Yes guys, upper band got broken from this Bollinger Band, which only happens during uptrend, right? You can see in our case the upper band got broken, which resulted in a bullish move. And now according to this Bollinger Band, for now this central line or the basis line is holding us. It will be looked as support for now, but even if this fails and price starts showing another continuation to the downside, we know it is going to form a squeeze in this Bollinger Band, which is going to prepare ourselves for the incoming volatility. Yes guys, even according to this Bollinger Band, pullback could be a great buying opportunity, because we know for now bearish move could be preparing us for another bullish continuation. And if you simply look at this using a rising trend line, you can see, yes, we are aware upper trend line rejected us, whereas the lower trend line acted as an important support line, right? You can see here. So in our case, since we are hovering around this lower trend line support, once the support from this basis line gets broken, once the support from this ascending channel lower trend line gets broken, what is next? You can see in that case guys, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show another continuation like this before expecting another V-shape or a U-shape type of recovery. Yes, after testing some of the key line of support, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to make a U-shape or a V-shape type of recovery. And why? Because parallelly, I even showed you with the help of the symmetrical triangle, which was considered bullish. But in our case, after this massive breakout, Bitcoin started with a bearish move. And I showed you this 2-3 days ago. We might see a move like this. Even after this bullish breakout, it might be turning out into a fake out, liquidating the over leverage longs, and only after that start with an actual bullish move. And same thing, if you look at it right now, same thing looks like happening. So that's why, guys, that's why in a medium short term, we are expecting this USDT dominance to show some bullish move, which could result in continuation to the downside in entire crypto market. But it will be just a temporary bullish move here in USDT, in my opinion. And right after that, another continuation towards this lower trend line. And we know USDT dominance breaking to the downside means the entire crypto market is going to profit from it. So for now, this relief rally in USDT dominance could be resulting in some bearish move in entire crypto market. But if you simply zoom out in terms of Bitcoin, you can see there is nothing to worry about, because we have said this Elliott wave theory is on play in a weekly time frame, which is forming this impulsive wave 5, and this impulsive wave 5 could bring the price of Bitcoin around 110, 120,000. Yes, guys, we are expecting this impulsive wave to continue at least in between 110, 120,000 before continue with this corrective wave, because we know beside this Elliott wave, even this descending channel breakout formation is clearly pointing us that just like from this past price action, after some sideways movement, after some fake out, we are expecting this trend to continue upwards. So same thing looks like playing out here in our case, with price objective again in between 110, 120,000. But if you simply use this Wyckoff's price cycle, you can see things get even more clearer. I mean, this here is a breakout from the previous high, and according to this Wyckoff price cycle, breaking the previous high, flipping that into support, is going to start with a new bullish move known as a Markov phase. So in our case, you can see each and every time whenever the price broke out of the previous high, it has resulted in some very, very bullish moves. So same thing is expected to follow in our case as well, because we are clearly above this previous high. And not just only this, even in a monthly time frame, you can see, guys, I showed you this on my previous video, right? Breaking out from this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line in a monthly time frame has been very, very bullish for Bitcoin. Yes, each and every time whenever we have broken the resistance from this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line, it has been very, very bullish for Bitcoin. So same thing is repeating again and again. Each and every time whenever we broke out of this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line, the price of Bitcoin after that done very, very bullish. And if you look in our case, we have already broken out of this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line, which clearly points us a move here to the upside. So looking into different scenario, looking into different time frame, you can see pullback around 95,000 could be a great buying opportunity. So guys, these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these free bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then definitely check it out, because these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility and trade with free money, then definitely grab this opportunity. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.